Hi, I'm Scott Brown. I'm located in Denver, live in Denver. We started the first franchise for Citywide in Denver, Colorado, and that was in 2002. And then since then, we've opened up 4 additional locations. So we also own San Antonio, Austin, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Seattle, Washington. My story is probably a little different than most franchisees because Jeff and I knew each other. Jeff Oda, the CEO, Jeff reached out to me and had the idea of franchising. And so we kind of explored it together, me from a franchisee standpoint, him obviously a franchisor standpoint. And so we built a model and looked at it and went through it, and we said, yep, that's what we think a franchise would look like. And it was compelling to me at the time because it had recurring revenue, which gave me the ability to, really grow at a much more rapid rate than any typical kind of business that doesn't have recurring revenue. So, once you sell it once, you don't have to keep reselling that guy. And if you sell the second one, you just doubled in size, And my brother and I in Denver, Colorado decided we're gonna give it a shot, and it took off so well, and we are so pleased with the way that the business developed over, the next several years that we became the first multi-franchise owner, and now we're the largest multi-franchise owner. To me, a business starts with a good business plan and understanding, the growth and the time that it's going to take to grow and the investment that it's going to take to reach that goal. If you find something that's better than this business, call me and let me know because I can't find it. But I really do. I think it comes to the model, knowing what the reality is, and if that doesn't get you excited by looking at the numbers that the business can generate, then it's definitely not for you.